What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to install the WhatsApp application on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. WhatsApp is one of the most popular and widely used messaging and calling apps in the world. It allows you to communicate with friends, family, and colleagues across different devices and platforms. While it's commonly available on mobile devices, it's also available on Windows PCs. Downloading and installing WhatsApp is only a matter of a few clicks and searches. All you need is a reliable internet connection and the Microsoft Store application. All Windows PCs come pre-installed with Microsoft Store, so you don't need to download it separately. To access it, search for Microsoft Store in your Start menu search and hit Enter. On this window, search for WhatsApp in the search bar above. From here, expand the WhatsApp section. Click on Get to start the download process. We will use the Microsoft Store version of WhatsApp and not the web version, because it allows you to conduct voice and video chats right through the app on your PC, eliminating the need to use WhatsApp on your mobile device. The Get button will be replaced with the Open button once WhatsApp is successfully installed on your PC. After launching the WhatsApp application on your Windows PC, you'll be required to link your account to start chatting and calling friends. Scan the QR code shown on the app with your WhatsApp application on your mobile device to start the linking process. You should also consider changing your WhatsApp notification settings to prevent users from spamming you while you work. To do so, head to the WhatsApp settings by clicking on the gear icon on the bottom left of your screen. From here, select Notifications, and you'll be able to disable or enable notifications for messages, reactions, or calls if notifications are enabled for WhatsApp from your Windows Settings app. You even have the option to change your notification tone for messages or group chats. To disable all possible notifications from the WhatsApp application, click on Windows Settings Notifications in your WhatsApp notification settings. This will open up your Windows notification settings. On this window, scroll down and make sure notifications are disabled for WhatsApp. You get even more options when using a WhatsApp business account on the Microsoft Store application. Make sure no one else has access to your computer, as they will otherwise be able to open WhatsApp and read your chats without linking your account again. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.